Hi guys, my name is YK. If you're just joining us, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about a life hack. Yes, it's a life hack. Well, personally, it works like that for me. We're going to talk about taking screenshots on your iPhone without using buttons. Guys, how cool is that? You know, there are times I go out and probably I'm next to someone and I take a screenshot on my phone without my buttons, and the person is like, wait, what did you just do? Oh, wait, how did you do that? Yes, today guys, I'm going to show you how to take screenshots on your iPhone without using buttons. Just something you have to set, and like a boss, just hold your phone with one hand and take a screenshot. Yes, it works for me very much, and it's very convenient, guys. I'm sure if you are not familiar with this and you get to find out today, you would be thankful. So thank me in advance.
So guys, this is me trying to teach us how to take a screenshot without using buttons, and you can just have your phone in one hand and achieve that. So first you need to go to your settings here, and then you scroll to accessibility here, and then you select touch here. First you need to make sure, before we can achieve it, you need to make sure that you select your assistive touch on. It has to be on. You can see it's bringing out something here. Yes. Okay, switch it on, then you customize, click on customize top level menu. So I already have my own, so I'm going to remove it. I had 6 icons, so I've removed exactly what I want to teach us. So you click on this plus button to add. Minus removes it, plus add. So I click on the add button, then it has brought out one extra space for a menu. I'll click on that plus there and then select 3D touch, then done. Go back, and then you go to 3D touch here, and we try to select what the 3D touch will give us. We have so many options here, but we're going to choose what you want us to give us, and we'll be choosing screenshot because that's what we're learning now. Screenshot here. I already selected mine, but this is screenshot. Then go back. So if you go back, if you notice that we'll go out of the touch option, and then we'll come to this 3D and haptic touch. We have to make sure that the 3D touch is on. Yes, and then this light, medium, and firm is how you want it to feel when you press it down. So right now guys, I'm going to try to take a screenshot using this. Okay, look at this now. I clicked it and this 3D touch here comes up, and then whatever you click on, it helps give the screenshots. But I want to do an easier one. Okay, I need this to go off. Okay, it's gone off. An easier one is just press this down and you take a screenshot. Let me do it again. Press this down and we take a screenshot. This is me using just one hand and one finger pressing it down. So with this guys, I hope you've learned, and if you have any questions, please put it down in comment section. If you want me to tell you about anything else, teach you anything else, please just let me know and put it down in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification, guys. Thank you.
So guys, with this little life hack I've just introduced to you, I hope I've been able to help and taken a little stress off you while using your iPhone. Yes guys, so please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notifications, like, share, and yeah, you can comment below on whatever you want me to talk about, any questions you have, anything, you know, any tips you want me to give, you know, anything you want to hear from me or watch me talk about. Guys, drop it like it's hot. Thank you for watching guys, and I hope you join me in the next video. Bye.